Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Laurie, and today we're going to be decorating my front porch for Christmas. Super excited. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I'm finally getting around to it. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what my plans are. So I had brought in these dead branches from the mountains and had them out for Halloween, and one of you suggested that I keep them for Christmas, and I thought that was such a great idea. I didn't even think about it, so I appreciate whoever that was. I'm going to come in here with all this garland and deck it out for Christmas. I think it would be such a great addition to my porch, and it'll let me leave this up a little bit longer. So I have these garland I got from Walmart. They're pretty inexpensive. They were like $14. And then I'm using some of my old ones, and then some that are a little bit more expensive that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'll show you those in a minute. But I wanted to do the base with something inexpensive because I wanted it to look pretty full. And then in the front, I'll put something that's a little dressier, a little fancier, and just a couple, having it be too expensive because this was something that I did not have planned, but I'm excited that I'm doing it. I think it'll be great. So this is I will link it down below. It's kind of a fuzzy looking pine, which I like, and then it has like these regular kind of cheaper looking ones, which I actually don't mind, and I think this looks perfect. And then I have these that I got from Hobby Lobby, and they're 50% off. They were a little more expensive, but they have some pine cones because I'm going for a more kind of natural woodsy look this year, which I'm super excited about. So I got a couple of those to go in front, and they add just a few different elements of different pines, which is really nice. Lots of different textures. And then I have these, which are kind of cheaper, that I've had for years, which also have pine cones, but they have these red berries. I'm not really going for red this year, so I might take these off or maybe tuck them in behind, because I'm going for a different theme, although I will have some red outside because I have red on my wreath. So I haven't quite decided exactly what I'm doing. So I'll decide that when I get it up. But I think it's gonna look so pretty and kind of natural. And I did a little test where I hung it up to this, and I thought it looked really good with some sticks coming out. I might come in and trim some of these because I liked it kind of wild for Halloween, but I think I want it just a little tidier for Christmas. So I will come in and cut some of these out. Not all of them, I'll leave a little bit because I do like just a little bit of twigs hanging out, especially as we come up around here over the top. I think that looks really great. So I'll leave those for sure. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna fluff up this garland, and then I'm gonna use some zip ties. I have these little black zip ties that I'm gonna use to attach it to this, and I think it's sound enough. If you wanna know how I made this, go watch my Halloween porch makeover, and that will have all the directions for it. But it's held up by some fishing line and also zip ties, as you can see here. Just zip tied some twigs together. So, okay, let's get going. It's been about, I don't know, a few days since I've done this, and now I'm going to add some ornaments to it and get my porch all decorated. So I'm going to bring some trees out here and a different rug. Let me show you what I have. Okay, so I got these reindeers at Pottery Barn last year, and I love them. I think I'm going to have most of my decorating be up here and not very much over there. I was going to put lights on everything, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'll put lights on here. I'll either do red or white, haven't decided yet. And then I'm going to put the reindeer probably over here on this end. And then I'm going to put my Christmas trees up. I kind of feel like I need something tall there, but I don't really have anything for there quite yet. And maybe I'll just leave it blank. I don't know. I don't want to go buy anything else. But I have these trees that I got last year. I got these, I think, from At Floral. I may have got them on Amazon too, but through that store. And I love them. I think I will put lights on them this year though. And then I have some gold ornaments to kind of go with what I've got going on inside my house. And then I have these cute baskets that I will link. I need to kind of blow them off a little bit because they're a little bit dirty and dusty. That I'll be putting all my trees in. So for these reindeer, I'm going to use these staples to kind of staple them and secure them so they don't blow around. And then I have these Christmas lights for my trees. And of course, I'm going to keep my lanterns out here and get rid of that mum that's all dried up that I haven't done anything with. And then I have some wreaths that I made for the front door that I'll be hanging up as well. That'll be the last touch. So that'll be the last thing that I do. They're not quite done yet. After I do this, I'm going to go in and decorate. I'll pop those on and then we'll be done. And then I think I'll just do then I'll give you a view of everything when we're all done, and I'll even give you a view at night with the lights on. I think that would be really nice, since that wasn't part of my light tour that I posted earlier. So, okay, let's get going. So I just bought these cheap ornament hanger things from Walmart, and they're super flexible, which is actually kind of nice because I'm just bending it how I want it, making a V, and then I'm just putting it on a branch and then twisting it on itself and then bending it over. So pretty easy. Turn the camera around so you can see the full effect. It took me, I don't know, I feel like every project I've been doing lately takes me at least 2 or 3 days. So I've got like 4 more unfinished videos that I need to complete today, but the porch is done, and let's turn the camera around and look at it. Okay, it's raining right now, so I'll try not to be out here too long, but I've got my cute reindeer over there. The lights are on. You can just see him a little bit. I'll come out tonight and show you with all the lights. We also had a company come out and do some LED lights up here, which we really love and we're super happy with. Won't have to do our own lights again for a long time. And I also had my husband and sons put up these wreaths up here on our dormers, and they turned out so cute. Oh, love it. So I want to get a cuter blanket that's going to bring a little pop out here. I do like it kind of simple. I do like that it's kind of gold, cream, and green with some blue and brown on my wreaths, but I do feel like I need a different blanket up there. This arch turned out so fun. I wasn't going to put any ornaments on it, but it definitely needed something to stand out a little bit, so I'm happy that I did. We had a little accident when my son was taking the ladder down. He banged it and it broke off the top support, but luckily we were able to save it, and my husband came home and tied it up really good, so we've got it all set now. But let's go in here and get out of the rain and go look at all the good things. I think I'm gonna move this lantern over here just to kind of fill in this gap here, just because I usually have another tree by this one, and I think that would look better if this had two, but I wanted to put one over here and I didn't want to buy another one. So I just have one there, but it does kind of need something in the front here, I feel like. But that's cute too. So I don't know, I'll have these going off at night too. I've got my mat here that I love, that I got on Etsy, and I will link all these products here down below for you guys, but it's gonna look stunning at night. I like these little tree pillows that I got at the store called At Home. And yeah, like I said, this blanket's not really doing it for me, but I haven't gone through all my Christmas blankets yet, so I'll probably switch it out eventually, but that's what's there for right now. I might want something with a little more pop. And then I have a timer here. I'm trying to hide all my cords back there, but I've got a cord running back here to this one, and then the cord runs here over to my reindeer, and then I attach these lights to this, so that's kind of hanging down right there. And then I have this coming up here under my rug, and they all meet here on this timer. So I shouldn't have to come out here ever and turn lights on and off. I'll set it to like 6 hours and it'll come on at dusk and then go off probably about 11 p.m. And the thing that I'm most excited about this year are these gorgeous wreaths, you guys. I love them so much. These are a copy from Tessa Foley from 9 and 16, and I'll put a link right here to her Instagram. But she came up with these. I saw them on Pinterest and immediately knew I wanted to recreate them, and I love them. This is what inspired all of my decorations that I'm doing, especially my tree inside, and I just think they turned out so cute. I love the bells. If you can get these bells at Michael's, go ahead and get them. I have a tutorial on how I made this. I just love all the different textures, and it turned out so cute. I'm so glad I found that ribbon, and I actually lowered them. So I had my wreaths clear up here, and I was looking at it and I'm like, you can't really even see it. So I lowered them, and I think that looks pretty good. It's a little bit higher than halfway, so I think it looks all right. Let's back up one more time and check everything out, and then I'll show you a night view tonight. Okay, that's it. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. And thank you for the idea for me to keep this arch for Christmas. I think it's been super fun to have. So we'll see you guys next time. Enjoy the night view of our Christmas lights, and hopefully that shows up really nice. Bye guys, thanks for watching.